Welcome to the Elimination Center Squid Game. We are going to be doing this in 5 parts. The separate parts will be Squid Games Part 1, Part 2, Part 3, Part 4, and Part 5. First game we will be doing is red light, green light. Alright, let's go. Are you excited? Yeah, Andrea. Who are you? I'm Patrick. No. Plus, my name is not Andrea anymore. I am Candace. Candace? Who's that? The girl from Phineas and Ferb? Oh, yeah. I'm Patrick from SpongeBob SquarePants. And I'm Elmo. And I am SpongeBob, obviously. I'm Phineas. I'm Isabella. Isabella Garcia. Your last name is Garcia? No, you're Yutani. Yeah, but I'm Isabella Garcia. And I'm Cookie Monster. Give me those cookies. And I am Adam Garcia, also known as Boris from Caillou. I am Ferb from Phineas and Ferb. I am Vanessa, also known as Melanie. And I am Karina, also known as Rosie. And I am Natalie, also known as Clementine. I am Chuck, also known as Jeremy. And I am Purple, also known as Doris. And I am Lewis, as y'all may know, I am Caillou. Wait, we're missing one. Who? Donald Trump. Hey, I am Big Bird. Donald Trump, you can't participate. Why? I'm from Sesame Street. No, Donald Trump, you can't participate because this Squid Game is only for cars. But I really want to play Squid Game for the $10 million. Hey, it's $10,000, not $10 million. Are you deaf? Whatever, I hate Squid Game anyway. Alright, so we're going to be playing the first Squid Game. It's called Red Light, Green Light. So everybody back up. Thank you, Candace, Patrick, Elmo, SpongeBob, Phineas, Isabella, and Cookie Monster. Now we need Boris, Ferb, Vanessa, Rosie, Clementine, Jeremy, Doris, and Caillou to go. Okay. Has everybody got ready? Yeah, sure. Red light. Wait, no, we're not ready yet. What do you want? Who's gonna be the doll? Well, obviously me. I am the doll. I said Coco la Gucci Pia in law. Whatever. Let's just get this over with. I really want the $10,000. Yeah. Go. Red light. Green light. Red light. Anybody moving? Okay. Green light. Red light. Yeah, I made it. Player name Rosie is eliminated. No! I can do it. Rosie, go. Oh no, what happened? Have you heard of Squid Game? Green light! Red light. Green light. Here you go. There we go. Clementine and Jeremy has made it. Red light. Green light. Red light. No. SpongeBob is eliminated. No, I can't be eliminated. I'm from SpongeBob Squad. Rest in peace, SpongeBob. Green light. You're weird. I'm gonna miss you, Karina. Red light. Doris and Caillou has made it. Green light. Patrick and Elmo made it. Ferb and Vanessa has made it. Red light. Green light. Boris has made it. Isabella and Cookie Monster has made it. Red light. Green light. Candace and Phineas have made it. Oh, come on. I wanted to bust it then. That's great, Candace. No, really? We have completed the first part of Squid Game. Next part coming tomorrow. Okay? Alright? Thank you. Wait, who's the guy in the red mask? Oh, the guy in the red mask is unknown yet. Ernie, go take 2 bodies. Yes, sir. Rosie and SpongeBob. You go in the elimination course. First one, second one. Pat pat. We'll see you on Squid Game number 2, Sugar or Honeycombs.